Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures again. Hey, just a quick video to show you an addition I just purchased for a couple of my e-bikes. And that is this pack right here that fits conveniently on the handlebars. It's rather small, but it fits right here so that you can have a place right in front of you to store a few things, such as, sunglasses or, snacks, I suppose, if you're gonna be out for a while. It's got a nice, good sized compartment in here. I mean, I can easily fit, a couple of fists in there, if you can see that. I suppose you could put a couple of cans of soda if you want to visualize and say that's how big it is. It's also got a separate inside pocket right here. It's got a zipper I don't care too much about. It does have some lashings right up here on top if you need to tuck something away. But overall, it's a nice little bag, and I've been enjoying it so far. And it straps with, it's got a couple of Velcro straps, really is all it is. So you just wrap it around the handlebar and attach those Velcro. And then it has this additional strap right here that is a buckle. If I can turn my phone around and show you, that is a buckle right here. Where's my hands? There it is. So you can actually tighten it up a little bit too. But overall, it fits pretty tight right there on the bike. Optionally, if I wanted to, I could place it on the front side of the handlebars, but there's so many wires and stuff up here. Yeah, I just didn't like how it looks, so I switched it around, put it right here. But hey, if you need just a little extra storage for like sunscreen and our medications, whoa, my hand's in the way. Sunscreen, medications, and sunglasses and that sort of thing, check it out. I'll drop a link down below, and yeah, maybe that'll help you. If it does, give me a thumbs up and let me know that it did. And until next time, ride safe.